Hey, all CB baseball card collector coming out. So I tried my idea about what somebody told me about putting these in the microwave for 10 seconds and see if they get unbricked. It kind of works, but if there's any metal or foil, they're destroyed. So let's see what my experiment did. I'll post this as a experiment. So the Longoria, not the old one, but this one came out all right. Still a little damage there, but they probably were water damage. Berto Alomar came out a little better. Verlander, some paper loss up there. Autograph would hide that. Stanton. So a lot of these came out. Bass, Andujar, Brian Anderson. It came out not too bad. Brad Radke. Oh, something there. Damage. Luis Gonzalez. Kirk Gibson. Gibson. Jack Clark. Longoria. I probably have a lot of these, but this one came out kind of alright. I don't see too much damage or paper loss. Mike Maddox. If it works, then it does work. Let me tell you how it didn't work. Because if they're water damage, they're going to get damaged anyways. David Berries. Wade Boggs. So this had a foil, Wade Boggs. So he didn't get destroyed. But this Larkin made it unscathed. So look, you got a Larkin, which is pretty good shape. Look at that Larkin. All right, just hang on to the Larkin in your thought. Then you got your Moises Alou. Not too bad. You have your Rigetti. I think it's 91. There's a blemish on him. Then your Eric Gunderson. Got the documentary. Kind of okay. There's some blemishes on surface, but this one you can feel something on it. You can hear it, but it's still intact. So we're getting to the bottom here. William McGee. Robbie Thompson. And the huge loss is this one. I saw this one burn. So look, the back doesn't look bad. And it went from shiny to getting fried. I mean, it got cooked. So that was the only damaged one. And then the other ones, I don't know what quality, but it worked and it didn't work. I probably should have stuck this one in the middle of the stack. And it would have taken the hit. But that Larkin came out nice. So I guess, Larkin or Eric Davis. I'll take my Larkin any day of the week. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching my adventure. Worth trying it out. Does smell like smoke inside the mic a little bit. But, like burnt something, I should say. No smoke. Thanks for watching. CB Baseball Card Collector signing off. Bye-bye.